There's a new app in town called Threads released by Meta, and everybody wants to join the party. Let me show you how can you start using it step by step. The first thing that you need to know about Threads, it launched this month, July 2023, and it already has more than 100 million users. Crazy, I know. So how can you set up Threads on your Instagram account? You go to your Instagram right over there, you're gonna hit the three little lines, and as soon as you do, you're gonna see a little icon, Threads. You click there. As soon as you do, you have the little invitation as the one that you see that I have right there, where it says my name, the time, and the date that I got access to Threads. You click on this little button and immediately it's going to download the Threads app. As soon as you do, it's going to migrate all your information from Instagram to your Thread account. You're going to see that the bio that you have on Instagram is the same bio that you have on Threads. One cool thing that you can do is that you can change the bio on Threads and make it different from your Instagram. It's up to you if you want to do it. Also, once you download Threads, you're gonna have a little badge on Instagram with a number. You can decide if you want it to show or not to show. Up to you. It's a good way for people to know you already downloaded the Thread app, but as I said, it's up to you. So how can you set everything up and start using it? So you're gonna see different icons. This house where you can see that all the threads live there. You can explore and see who you can connect with, and also Threads will recommend people that you might have connected before or that are connected to people that you like. So you go there, you can jump in any thread at any time that you want to, okay? That is in the first part where you see all the threads conversations of all the people you follow, okay? Also, then you go to the magnifier and you can look for people that you haven't connected with or that you want to connect with. Just click on the magnifier and that's what you're gonna do. After that, you're gonna see this little pencil with this little box where you can write your first thread, as I did right over here. You can do that, okay? And then you're gonna see this little human where all your threads you have written live over there, and you can see your bio, your information, everything set up. The follower account, your thread count, will go up step by step because people are still discovering Threads, are still choosing if they want to be on Threads or not, because it's very similar to Twitter, so some people are hesitant to join or not, but give it some time. So here's the second thing that you need to know about Threads. First, it has a 500 character limit. You can upload pictures, you can upload videos until 5 minutes. You can do that. After you post your first thread or whatever number of thread that you already have, you can share it to your stories, you can repost it to your Instagram account. It's up to you. You can also just do some things on Threads and not do the same things on Instagram. But if you're building your brand, try to have a connection between those two, okay? But it's also a new way, a new opportunity for you to explore a new way to create content. So at the end, it's up to you to what your brand stands for, what you want to do for your business, how you want to create content. But I also believe you need to have a system, a strategy to set up your threads as you do on your Instagram account and as you do on any platform that you are currently using. Okay, the final thing that you need to know about Threads is it's a new way to explore your personal brand. It's a new way to share your brand, share your thoughts, share your values, okay? So that's amazing. Also, it's a new opportunity for you to connect with new people, to have different followers because maybe they haven't followed you on Instagram, they're discovering you here on Threads. So it's a new opportunity for you as a creator, as a coach, as a business owner. So take this opportunity. I've never liked Twitter that much, but now that I'm seeing Threads, I see how positive and the energy that it is. It's different here. So explore it, take a look. Let me know how it is for you, if you like it, if you enjoy it, and any thoughts, any more questions that you have, just leave them right here below. As I said, the setup is very easy. It's step by step. I share it with you here. Any more questions, let me know. All the best and thread away.